Hey friends, welcome. I had a viewer ask me the other day if I still do Publix hauls, and that kind of made me stop and think for a second. It has been a while since I've done any kind of a grocery haul here, other than my little Aldi runs, and that's mostly been for gardening. So I thought I would take you along with me just to show you a really quick Publix haul. I have been not putting them up much because I'll only put it up when I can find some good deals that you might want to know about. So hopefully if you live in one of these states that has a Publix, you can pop in and pick up some of these if they appeal to you. And let's spin around and have a look. So not a huge haul, but I am leaving for a week on Wednesday, so I had no business really stocking up on a bunch of stuff. But there were a few good deals and a little bit of clearance that I hadn't been expecting, but I had to snap up. So let's go over it. Of course, with being out of town for a week, I had to stock up on some cat food so my friend can have plenty on hand. And this is not on sale this week. Like close to $10, but there was a $2 coupon. All the kitties love it. Of course, we had to restock on the treats. Those weren't on sale either. But I did find some stuff on clearance. This is a high-end cat food, which means my cats probably won't like it. But they had several cans of this on clearance, and 89 cents. I know that's typically like $1.50, $1.70 in my area. So, you know, maybe close to half price on that. These weren't on sale, but I know my kitties love these, so I got a few of those. I think around 89 cents a can there. And then this was on sale, and I have bought this brand of cat food for mine before, and this is really high end. It's like, again, $1.50, $1.70 a can. 6 cans in the box. Clearance $4.39, so I saved maybe a couple of bucks. So that's the cats. And then these are some good toiletry deals today. If you've been following me, you may have seen, I think last year was the last time I put up a haul where I was able to nail this baby wash. I use this to wash my face because it doesn't dry my face out. It smells really nice, and it does an amazing job of getting my makeup off. I think it's because it has calendula. Am I saying that right, you guys? I don't know. But anyway, these are around $6.49, $6.99 a bottle. I'll show you here in the store. I had not planned to buy these because I don't have any coupons, but it's on the same little shelf as the Johnsons, which do have coupons today. And I was shocked to see they had these all marked down $3 each. So I had to snap those up, of course, even though, you know, it meant spending $12, $15 here. That'll last me 4 or 5 months. So I'm happy to be stocked up on that. And then this was a good deal. These are, I think, $4.99 now. I like to mix this with my Nivea lotion for a little scent. You know, in today's politically correct world, they've taken the scent out of everything, it seems like. Publix has an extra savings coupon today, $2 off a bottle. And there's also a 75-cent digital coupon, as well as if you go to coupons.com, you can download coupons. So $2 plus the 75-cent coupon. So I got these for about $2.25 a bottle. So, you know, had to get 2. And then the Starbucks, these are $7.99 a bag, and these are 12-ounce bags. So I paid $16 for 24 ounces, and that's, you know, a good deal compared to what you would pay for a 16-ounce bag at Starbucks. And then these were on BOGO. I have been getting into the margaritas, and my bestie is coming for a visit Memorial weekend, and we'll probably get into the margaritas again, hopefully finish up that little bit of tequila, which I'm pretty sure I bought last year when she came. I thought I better get some fresh 7-Up since that bottle I've been trying to finish was at least a year old. And then these were on sale today, 3 for $10, so $3.33 each. And these are, I think, 16 ounces. Let's have a look. Well, guys, You can probably see it better than I can. Anyway, pretty good size there for $3.33. Even though I live in Florida, it seems like it's pretty rare for blueberries to go down to less than $1.99. So I figured I'll snap these up, put them in the freezer, because I already have a couple in the fridge, and that way I'll be stocked up, because I've been being good about kind of going through that fruit bits and bites bin. I have a little room in there. Never go shopping when you're hungry. These were on BOGO, I think $6.50, something like that. And I'm going to put one in the freezer and one in the fridge. So all of this came to a total of $104, and I saved a total of, call it $50. So, you know, not a huge, great Publix haul like I've done in the past, but like I said, those are getting real hard to come by. So if I could save $50 and get things that I mostly need, except for this, I'm happy. Now let's talk Dollar Tree really quick, because it is right next to Publix, and part of my Trellis project, which you will see coming up, I decided I wanted to hang some little pots from the trellis. And these, you know, were $1.25. I'm hoping my one-hole punch will punch some holes in there. Unfortunately, I don't have any chain hangers, I don't think. I'll have to climb up in the attic and see. So I bought this little black paracord, thinking maybe I could jimmy rig, you know, a little hanger. We'll see how that works out. And then I decided I needed some more of these clamps. And I saw these lanterns. I'll show you in the store here. I was shocked at what a fantastic selection Dollar Tree has on their lanterns. Now, you know, after hitting Hobby Lobby and looking at them at Walmart and whatnot, I've kind of seen what all is out there in the lantern department. And I started to get the little mini ones I'll show you in the store. And those are only $1.25. Solar lanterns. And these were $5 each. And we'll see after I get these hung whether or not I think I can get by with $1.25. I can always go back and exchange these. But these were certainly, I think, more elegant, because the $1.25 ones had the little fake candle in the middle. And because they'll be hanging out in the sun, I don't think the fake candles are the way to go, you know? So we'll see. Hopefully these look cute. Maybe it's lantern overkill, but you know, if you're gonna go big, go all the way. And then I had to get a couple thank you notes. Never know when you're gonna need those. And then I was really surprised and very happy to see in Dollar Tree's gardening aisle, they had this grass seed mixture. Now I have terrible grass, so for all of you lawn snobs out there, I know you'd be like, Dollar Tree grass, nah. But I have some real bare spots out there on my lawn, and I'm hoping to sprinkle these in those areas strategically. Lawn seed years ago, it's expensive. So I figured for $5, I'd give this a go. And all of this came to $38, which seems like a lot at Dollar Tree, but these 5 were all $5 and these were $1.25. So that's how that happened. And I appreciate you guys popping in here and checking out my little haul. I'm also going to be putting up tomorrow my garden bed free curbside pickup trellis DIY. I have been weeks getting that done, and I am ready to roll it out for y'all. So please tune in and have a look at that one tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in here. I hope you enjoyed this quick little Publix haul and you're in the middle of having a fantastic weekend. I'll see you tomorrow.